Hello friends, I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to install Python compiler. First go to the Python download and click on the first site which is released by the Python organization. After going to the Python organization, click on the yellow icon which is Python download, that is the latest version of Python. After downloading it, open that file and just click on install now. Click as on run as administrator. It is dependent on your internet speed. You can complete the download as soon as possible. It may take 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on your internet speed. In this way, we are on the way to installing Python. Successfully I have installed Python. Just click on close button at the bottom, and once you are going to test it is installed successfully or not, just click and search ideally. It is a default compiler of Python. When we install Python, it will install default in our system. Just go to file and select new file. We are printing Sujan, this is my friend name, and just save the program in your system on the desktop or where you want, and just go to run and press F5. Successfully we have completed our first program in Python. In this way we have successfully completed installing Python and running the first program. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notification. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to share.